Mr. Daniel, you ready for this, buddy? Yeah. Been missing you, man. Your back's been missing me, huh? Let's see here. Yeah. Doesn't hurt though, right?
Yeah.
Just gonna turn this off right here, buddy. Let's get right here. Let's have you take a breath in, Daniel, and all the way out. There we go. Good. Good. Ooh. Nice. Now,
It sounds like movement.
kind of. It is gas. Face me this way on your side. Here, I'm gonna bring this up. Careful. There we go, Daniel. Let's bring this leg right here. There you go. Slide you down. Let's get you off of this shoulder. Let's put this hand right there. Now take a breath in and all the way out. Good job. Not bad, man. Let's face this way now. There we go. Good. Yep, exactly. Off of that shoulder. Right there. Breath in and all the way out. Good. And now on your back, face up. And let's turn the other way. Yeah, let's get on your back, facing up. There you go. And look at the fan. There you go. There we are. Yeah, making you a little taller, dude. Let's have your arms right up here, buddy. And right there, yeah. Let's get this feeling better here. And right here, nice and relaxed. Good, good job. Oh, you laughed through the whole thing, right? It doesn't hurt. Good job. Oh man, you needed that, boy.